To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. HDR. So what is HDR? It stands for High Dynamic Range and is the method of blending images with different exposures together to create a final photo. It's very difficult for a camera to be able to expose for all the shadows, the mid-range and the highlights in a single image. So this is where HDR comes in. Ideally, the camera will be on a tripod to take a series of 3 photos automatically. The first will be an underexposed photo to capture the detail in the highlights, like the sky. The second would be a normal photo to capture all the mid-tone details. And finally, the camera will take an overexposed shot to capture all the details in the shadows. This is done automatically in what appears to be one seamless shot. The software in the camera will then blend all 3 images together, taking the best elements from each photo to make a near-perfect photo. You can still edit this final shot further if required, just to make it a little bit more punchy. Understanding how this works, you will now see scenes where you want to experiment with HDR to create amazing photos. When we went through the settings, it was an option to have HDR on or off. When it shows, the HDR icon is 3 mini photos. In the older iPhones, you can select HDR to be auto, on or off. In the newer phones, you don't have this option, you just have the option of Smart HDR. This will intelligently blend images together automatically. As mentioned before, I would actually generally leave HDR on in the older iPhones. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.